Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will solve question number 12, which I have taken 13 exercise, chapter number 13 and D1 mathematics. The question is, find the area of the surface of a circular pond that has a diameter of 12 meter. The pond is surrounded by a path of width 2 meter. If it cost $55 per meter square to pave the path with the tiles, find the cost. First of all, before starting this question, I will convert my question into 3 parts. The first part is, we have to find the area of the surface of a circular pond. What does it mean? It means I need to find the area of a circle, and I am having the diameter, which is 12 meter. The diameter is 12 meter. It is given in the question. So let's start it. I have drawn this picture on my page. It is a circle and the diameter is 12 meter. We have a circular pond. This is a circular pond having diameter 12 meter, and this is the radius of a circle, 6 meter. So first I will find the area of this circular pond. As we know that the area of a circle is pi r square, so I need the value of r, and the question we are having the diameter. So first of all we will split diameter into the radius. D is equal to 12 and radius is equal to 12 by 2. So you will get the radius 6 meter, because radius is half of the diameter. So area of the circular pond is equal to pi r square. The value of pi is 22 by 7. The value of pi is also 3.14, but we will use 22 by 7 in this question, because if we will use 22 by 7 in the question, then you will get the answer according to the book. So 22 by 7 multiplied by 6 square, 113.14 meter square. This is the area of a circular pond. Now we have solved one part of the question. Let's read the next part. Okay, let's move to the next part of this question. The next part is, the pond is surrounded by a path of width 2 meter. The pond is surrounded by the path of width 2 meter. This is the pond, and the circular region show that the path surrounded the pond. And what is the width of this path? The width of this path is 2 meter. Okay. The radius of the circular pond is 6 meter. The radius of the circular pond is 6 meter. So what will be the radius from center to the boundary of the path? This is the boundary of the path. The radius becomes 6 centimeter plus 2 meter. It becomes 8 meter. The radius from center of the circle till the boundary of the path, outer boundary of the path, the radius become, what will be the length of radius? 6 meter and 2 meter. It become 8 meter. So we will find out the area of the bigger circle. This is the big circle. Area of the big circle. Same, we will use the same formula. Area of big circle is equal to pi r square, because the formula of circle remains same. Either the circle is smaller or the bigger one. So area of the big circle is pi r square. The value of pi is, as you know that it is, the value of pi is 22 by 7, and the radius is 8 meter. Why I have taken 8 meter? Look at this. From here I will get the values. 6 meter is the radius of the circular pond, and when we will add the 2 meter, which is the width of the park, when we will add, it become a big circle, one more circle, because path is also in the shape of a circle. So the radius become 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8 meters. So I will use this radius. The big circle radius is 6 plus 2, 8 meter. When I will simplify, you will get answer 201.14 meter square. Actually, we have to find the area of the paved path. The brown shaded area show the paved path around the circular region. This is the paved path around the circular region. This is the circular region, circular pond and region, and this is the paved path. But I don't know how to find the area of this paved path. So what I will do, just we have find the area of the big circle, then we will find the area of the smaller circle, which is the circular pond, and subtract the smaller one from the big one. Area of paved path is equal to the area of the big circle 201.14 minus the area of a circular pond, which is 113.14 meters square. The answer is 88 meters square. The last and the third part of the question is, if you tile the paved path, the cost of tiling the paved path is $55 per meter square. Look at this. You can check it from the book. If the cost $55 per meter square to pave the path with tiles, find the cost. So if the cost to tile the 1 meter floor is 55, so what is the area? The area of paved path is 88 meters square. So what will be the cost? Just simply multiply $55 with 88. You will get 48 and 40 answer means $4,840. This is the answer to tiling the paved path. Okay, let's move to the summary of this question. Okay, let's move to the summary of this solution. Our question is, we have to find the area of a paved path. The brown color show the paved path. Okay, we have to find the area of the paved path which surrounded the circular pond. This is the circular pond, and the radius of the circular pond is 6 meter, and the width of the paved path is 2 meter. So we have to find the cost for tiling the paved path. We have to find the cost for tiling this paved path. For this, first we have to find the area of this paved path. Okay, but we don't know how to find the area of this paved path. But if we noticed, so we can see this picture is the combination of two circles. One is the smaller one, which is the circular pond. This is the circular pond. White area is the circular pond, and the other one, which is the big circle, the complete shape. This is the path surrounded the circular pond. So first we will find the area of the smaller circle, then the big one, and then we will subtract the circular pond from the big circle. How I will subtract it? Just simply cut it with the scissor. It is our question. We have to find the area of this circular region, and then we have to find the cost for tiling this floor. So how we can find the cost for tiling this floor? First we find the area, but when you are solving this question, you will subtract the big circle. You will subtract the smaller circle. The area of small circle is 113.14. The area of this circle is 113.14 meters square. So we will subtract the area of smaller circle from the big one. We will subtract it. In the paper, I will just cut it and remove it, but during the solution we will subtract the smaller area from the big one. You will get the area, and to find the cost of tiling the paved path is just simply 55 with 88. You will get the answer. I hope this video help you to find the area for so inshallah we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.